Hello guys, this is Rom Tips. Today I show you how to buy a eSIM that will work in Ukraine. The link and coupon will be in the description. Open description and click on eSIM link and open voyafly.com or open country or open voyafly.com and click on this and write Ukraine. Click on this open page and scroll down and choose data type unlimited or fixed data. I'm select unlimited data. Choose a speed plane, light or plus or premium. I'm recommend plus, maybe premium, and select days. I'm select 30 days premium speed unlimited data. Alright, and click on buy it now. This service number one for eSIM. Alright, and click on this discount code and write ROAM tips. Click on apply. Okay, or order discount ROAM tips. This dollars, this is very good. And click on Google Pay and buy eSIM. Or write email, payment and billing address and click on Pay now. And open new page and buy eSIM and send your email address, QR code and instruction activation, and that's all. Subscribe and give me a like if this video helps you, because your feedback helps me. Bye bye.